Put a lemon in this way on your knees and eliminate the pain forever. While all muscle aches cause enough discomfort in our body, knee pain is one that stands out from others because it prevents us from being able to move as we commonly do. It is very common that the first joint that begins to fail with age are the knee, and is that these tend to be very delicate because they are part of the weight support of our whole body, are always moving, even when we are not walking and we only have them flexed. They are suffering a wear and tear on their tissues. That is why we must pay attention to the care of the knees, and here we will teach you a quick and easy way. Keep listening so you know how and start giving optimal care to your knees. To make this remedy you are going to need only 2 lemons and sesame oil. And the procedure to follow is extremely simple. You must cut the lemons into small pieces, place them in a thin cloth, and this to soak it with the hot sesame oil. Once you have done this, you will proceed to remove the excess oil and place the towel along with the lemons on your knees. Let the treatment work for 10 minutes, then remove and clean the area. This treatment can be applied up to twice a day and you will see how the pain will disappear. The properties of this recipe will penetrate the pores of your knee and nourish with your vitamins and minerals the affected area, thus disappearing any trace of pain. Start to try this treatment and forget to suffer from problems in your knees. Take care of this important joint. Do not wait until you start to take an invoice to pay attention to them. Follow a healthy lifestyle and try this and other natural recipes that our page gives you.